Well, good morning. It's a great day to be in God's house. And if I may say, it's a great day for fans of the men's Bible study. You might be a fan because you attend the men's Bible study, or perhaps you're a fan because someone in your household attends the men's Bible study and you're ready for that person to get out of the house. Either way, I have some exciting news for you. The men's Bible study will be starting up again in September. So the first Sunday in September, that would be September 3rd, we're going to kick off the men's Bible study once again. And we will be going back to the same book, The Story Through the Bible, starting on chapter 15. I know, where's Mr. G? I know that Godfrey and Ed, you guys have marked the exact paragraph where we left off back in March, but we're going to go back to that chapter 15. Kind of like, when you go back to school after the summer break, you have to do a little bit of review so that everybody's on the same page. So we're going to jump back to chapter 15 and have a clean start. I did just check in the nursery, and there are, the books that we left there back in March are still there, so there are 3 books there. However, if you do need a book, please let me know. You can either let me know through Pastor Mark, or you can email me, otis@highway.ag, and I'll make sure that we have a copy of the book ready for you on September 3rd. Of course, we are going to be following the City of Philadelphia's guidelines for public gatherings, and that means social distancing. We'll be in the fellowship hall, and we will make sure that the chairs are 6 feet apart. Temptation is going to be to move closer. I know how much men we like to be close to each other, but we are going to respect that 6-foot distance. Also, we are going to limit ourselves to 1 hour from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. We used to go to 8:15, but don't worry, I can talk fast and make up the deficit. And last, and by far the most important, we are going to hold to wearing those masks. So please, we're going to have to be rather strict about this. If you don't feel that you are going to be able to sit for an hour with your mask on, I'm afraid I'm going to have to say please do not attend at this time until the guidelines in Philadelphia change. As you may know, we have some immune issues in my family, and if somebody has to take a mask off, then I'm going to have to excuse myself. And you can teach the class yourselves. I mean, you guys pretty much teach it. I just moderate every now and then. So again, I am excited. September 3rd, we'll be picking up in chapter 15 and men's Bible study. Look forward to seeing you all again then.